How to change profile picture in Duolingo. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change it. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you'll be able to see a profile icon. Tap on the profile icon. Now again, here on the top, this is your avatar. Simply tap on the avatar. So you can directly change the profile picture from here. So there is no such option as adding your own picture in this application. Here you'll be able to customize this character and you can customize it however you like. Here there are different dresses from shades, clothes and even other accessories. So you can customize the avatar and later save it. At last, here on the right top, tap on done and it has been saved. So other friends and people added with you will be able to see you as the same avatar and profile picture. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.